here always since dark and early this morning. Alright, we still got time. About 4 minutes before we start, we'll be flagging off the boys 10 seconds apart.
Apa dia?
Airnya muncul. Okey, jap satu.
Mana Salmon? Atas. Dia tengah zumba tadi.
Panjang kat Federal lagi.
Ha?
The 3 grand lucky draw prizes up for grabs. That's our Turkish Airlines tickets, return tickets to Istanbul, Turkey. Yes, worth 30,000 ringgit. Wow, okay, that's great. But also in the meantime, you may have a chance to also win some Turkish Airlines tickets if you are lucky. And actually what you need to do is head on over to our Turkish Airlines lounge. We have a beautiful lounge located here on the terrace area. You'll see some glass doors, and right in there is the Turkish Airlines lounge. And in there, to not only get the exclusive discount codes, limited time only, but you can also join either the 360 video experience at the Turkish lounge. Alright, so all fun runners, do remember your timing also only starts at the door, so you don't have to rush in this fun section here. Not this door, right after you do the bend here, there's a door to the staircase. Right there, there's a sunlight, so here you can enjoy a bit now. Closing your feet, yes, correct. You can do all that before you enter the stairways. There's actually a start line.
Oh, 800. Ada lagi separuh. Aku dah macam ni lah. Okay, rehat sekejap. Take 2 minutes. After this, continue. 935 meter. Tekan dulu. Layan ikut sekejap ni. Tangga 1000. Ada balance. Ada balance lagi 600 lebih. 602 lagi tangga. Okay guys, setiap water station ada air. Ni memang water station tak ada air tu bukan water station namanya. Ya, kejap. 600 lagi. Ya, 600. 600 lagi lah. Dia rasa nak balik tidur je.
Boleh bang sikit.
Ada lagi 100 lebih je dekat. Jangan tanya apa aku buat kat sini ya. relax je lah turun. Oh 100 ya betul 100 lagi, 102 lagi. Boleh ya, pasti boleh. Okay, sikit lagi. Jangan tanya apa aku buat kat sini. Aku pun tak tahu apa aku buat. Okay. Dah habis. Guys. Okay, aku dah habis lah. Oh. Video. Dari tempat kosong ke?
Baru sampai.
Ada tempat kosong ke? Allah. Jap. Boleh. Janganlah blok sini. Ini sikit. Jom, kita jalan.
Tahniah semua.
Ya.
Good job to Samurai bro. I did a good job. Pakai baju Melayu. Tawan 1608 step.
Ya.
Dengan catatan masa rasanya sangat cepat lah.
Tak ada cepat sangat.
Cepat. Dah pro dah. Bukan senang ni. So kita jumpa lagi tahun depan dan mungkin next week dekat Genting. Itu last race of the year.
Last race.
So see you next year.
Okay, good luck.
Okay,
right.
Fun run.
Okay, anyway, itu saja daripada Bro untuk kali ni. Jangan lupa untuk like, komen dan juga subscribe YouTube Bro Stop. Paling penting jangan lupa tekan loncengnya.
Yang ini mana? Yang ini best dress. Ini best dress. Best costume. Okay. Buka langkah sikit. Sekali lagi.
Ada orang belakang.
So the first three winners of the fun run, right? Azuddin, Modano Run, dan Muhammad Azrizan. Boleh ambil hadiah daripada sekretariat ya. Okay, so
Lambai aku,
the last final draw tu, kita buat sekarang.